That's fine to me. So, and now, because I want to richen the sound, you will see me use this thing a lot. Yeah, with a lot, I mean basically most of the time on every single track. Why? Because a LA-2A gives us, because of the tubes. For me, if you would ask me in my own words, it gives the material its own naturality back, or gives it more of the nature of it. Because like you can imagine with the tubes which is built in there, it's also richening the whole sound, right? Like especially also the reverb tail and the room, and suddenly you have the feeling that it sounds wider without even touching any sort of stereo plugin or something, just by harmonics of tubes and everything. This is how you most of the time get the best results, and where you think like, why this stuff is sounding so big of the other guys. Yeah, sometimes it's most of the time saturation and everything that emphasizes what you already have, right?